Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a summer eyeshadow tutorial. This is the eyeshadow obviously that I came up with. So if you are interested in learning how to achieve this look, keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to start off with the transition color. So I am using this Morphe Night Master 15N palette right here. And I'm going to go in with the shade Custom. Let me show you guys. It's this one right here. So just gonna put it right here. Then I'm gonna go in with the same brush with the shade Opal right there. So it is a little bit darker. Just make sure to blend it out. Like I said, I am blending it up into the brow bone. I don't know if you guys can see. Yep. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the pink. And I have this other little Morphe palette. It says 12P on the back and it has this pink shade right here. So it looks really bright right here. It's not as bright, but we're gonna use some other colors too. So just blend it up a little bit, not too much. So it actually looks a lot more pigmented than the first time I did it on this side. I don't know why, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. So just kind of like blended it just so it blends. Okay, and then what I did was sorry, I'm just like over here. I went in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette that I got at Marshall's, and I went in with this shade right here. Just gonna go over it again, more like in the crease area though. So I think it looks okay for now. We're gonna go in with some concealer, and it's not like, I don't think it's a cut crease really, but I'm just gonna put some concealer on the lid. Go back to the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna use this shade of yellow right here. Now I'm gonna go back with this brush and with this pink right here, and I'm gonna blend it into the yellow a little bit. Go up into the crease and then a little bit into the So now I'm gonna go in back with the Take Me to Brazil palette, And I'm gonna use this shade right here for my brow bone. It has like a little bit of pink, so it kind of goes with the theme. I'm just gonna slightly put it up here, just like blend it in. Let me put a little bit of mascara. I already had mascara from earlier in the day, but because of like the fallout from the eyeshadow, I'm gonna just kind of like lightly coat the top eyelashes. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this little flat brush and I'm gonna use again this Morphe palette, and I'm gonna use this orange color for my waterline. Let's see. Probably gonna have to go over it though, because I'm gonna do my foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera to do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Okay everyone, so this is the finished product. I don't know if you guys can see my eyes. So that's all I have for you guys today. Please comment down below if you would love to see any other eyeshadow looks. Thank you guys once again. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week.